Welcome to OPSIM 5. OPSIM is a cutting-edge discrete event simulation software that harnesses hindcast metocean data to reduce risk and optimise costs in offshore operations. Designed for both legacy and renewable offshore markets, OPSIM provides a powerful tool to enhance decision-making and operational efficiency. Our latest release, OPSIM 5, introduces advanced asset management features. The new assets functionality allows you to represent real-world objects with unique properties and system states, simplifying the modelling and management of components. With asset views, you can perform complex operations on the collection of assets, optimising resource allocation and storage requirements. OPSIM is available as an annual license or package with our bespoke consultancy services. With local presence and knowledge across all global markets, with OPSIM you have access to guidance and assurance of over 300 engineers, architects, mariners and experts, adding a level of value unrecognised in other products on the market. Discover OPSIM 5 today and take your maritime projects to the next level.